In the vast sea of manufacturing, captains of industry face the relentless tide of overhead costs. Today's voyage focuses on steering through these costs without losing speed or direction. Fellow manufacturers, today's journey takes us into the heart of our operations, managing manufacturing overhead costs. These aren't just any expenses. They're the winds and currents that can sway our journey profitably or plunge us into losses. Keeping a vigilant eye on these costs isn't mere oversight. It's about ensuring they don't rise unexpectedly, burdening our production ship with unnecessary weight. Our mission requires constant vigilance, regularly analyzing our overheads from utility bills to equipment maintenance, and comparing them against our production output ensures we remain agile and ready to adjust our sails before we're blown off course. Failing to navigate these costs wisely can lead to rough waters. It's not just about impacting profit margins. It's about competitive pricing, customer satisfaction, and ultimately, our survival in these choppy business seas. Consider if our manufacturing overheads totaled $150,000 this year for 30,000 units produced. We find ourselves with a $5 per unit overhead, a figure that, when wisely managed, steers our pricing and profitability in the right direction. Every dollar saved here is a gust of wind in our sails, propelling us forward. Navigating manufacturing overhead costs isn't just about staying afloat. It's about charging ahead, being lean and competitive, and being prepared to take on any storm the market might throw. So let us carefully chart our course, handle our manufacturing overheads carefully, and sail towards prosperity. Until we meet again, may your operations run smoothly and your costs be in your favor. Join us on our next voyage as we explore more strategies to navigate the complex seas of the manufacturing world. Until then, keep your decks tight and your overheads right.